Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil and this is our 13th video on React with Progressive Web App. So in the previous video, we learned that how we can show the permission pop-up for the notification and we can allow it, and after allowing it, we are able to achieve the push notification. But we did not write the code for achieving the push notification. We are going to do these things in this video. But first of all, let's show you that how and what kind of notification we are just going to show. So now let's go for this site. Notification are allowed here by default. When you open any website, every website is asked for the permission, and the same thing we are doing here also in our website. So let's allow these things here. So let's show a display the notification. This is the demo site actually, right? So I just get it from the internet, and this kind of notification we are achieving in our website also, right? So if our you can say that browser is minimized, then still they are available here, right? That's the power of the push notification actually, you can see that, right? So now let's check out the points of the video. First of all, we will just revise the previous video code. It will just take 10 to 20 seconds. Then we will add the code for the push notification. When we are just applying the push notification, we are able to see the push notification, but you will see that there is a lots of push notification again and again. So how we can just remove this duplicate push notification, and at the last we will see that we will show the push notification when internet is not available in our website. So let's say we just want to visit a website and internet is suddenly go on and user is just refreshing the website, then user will get a push notification that internet is not working on your computer, right? This is not the last video of the push notification. In this video we will just show the push notification from the front end, but in the next video I will just set up a backend also, and we will send the push notification from the backend to front end, right? So but for a moment, let's see that how we can show the push notification only from the front end, or you can say that JavaScript only, right? So as you know in the previous videos, so let's make it zoom out. We are working on the only two files. One is the sw.js, which is service worker.js. It's placed in the public folder. Then another in the swdev, which is placed in the src folder, right? So in the previous video, we just write the two functions for determine the app key, and we just get the vapid key here, and after the vapid key we just get the subscribe the push notification, and we get there this permission pop up for the push notification, right? Here you can see it again. That's great. All right, so now let's how we can just get the notification like this one, right? So okay, so what we are going to do, we can do this code anywhere, but as you know, event, or you can say that a service worker event like install fetch, we are going to do in the service worker.js file, sw.js file, and we will do the same thing in here also, right? So first of all, let's write a very simple code for push notification, and you will find either 8 or 10 notification, then we will just remove the duplicate, right? Okay, so just write here event dot wait until. This is the function it will just only execute when this fetch is completely done, right? So yep, so just simply write here this dot registration dot show notification, and show notification actually have the two params, one for the title, like I'm just going to put here hello for a moment, and in the second one you can see that I think this is not a service worker registration, this is simply the registration, right? And here we can just put here some more event more object keys like body, like hello from naughty and something, right? And there is some more keys also if you just want to put like action, URL, icon and all, and we will just add some more. But first of all, let's see that this is working or not, right? So that's about the code. Then this code is able to show you the push notification. Trust me. First of all, just unregister the previous you can see that service worker file, and then refresh it for a moment. Okay, let me check. I think there is some issue. Okay, so actually they are blocked, I think that's why we are not able to see. But after that, if we have any error, then we will just resolve them, right? Let's allow them, and now you can see that we got the lots of notification here. So first thing is good that we are able to notification, but bad thing is that we got the lots of notification, right? So they are around the 10. Why there is a 10 around notification around? Because the fetch event, it will just execute on the every request. So we have around the 10 requests for a moment. That's why this is hit the 10 time. How we can stop it? So you can just hit it on a specific request, right? If you just want. Keep in mind that when we are just getting this push notification from the backend, that time we are not going to face these kind of issues like duplicate noti and all. But when we are just working with the only front end, then sometime we got this kind of issues, right? So just write here console.warn here. I am just going to show you URL that are hitting on there, and only we will pick any one URL and we will put a condition here on the base of URL. So just write here event.request.url, right? And so that we can just stop the main notification. That's why I can just going to comment it for a moment, and it will start working when we are just update our push or you can say the service worker file, right? So just refresh it once. Now you can see that we got lots of URL which are fetching here. You can just pick one of them, whatever you want, and just put a condition, right? So let's say we can just put a condition on this one and just simply write here if event.request.url equal to this, right? Then we can just hit this notification, right? Now we will see this notification only once whenever we will just fetch this request, right? So again, just come here, unregister and update your service worker file. Let's make it hard reload with the Control Shift R and try to refresh it. Now you can see that we got only one noti, right? And it will work whenever we are just going to refresh. That's okay. Now I want that this notification should be visible only when our internet is not working, right? So just copy this from here to here, and let's format it and just simply write here internet, and just write here internet not working, right? Okay, these are the old service worker notification. Let's update it. And now because internet is working fine, you will see you are not going to see any kind of notification here, right? So whenever you're just going to refresh it, there is no notification. But now let's disconnect your internet, try to refresh it. Now you will see that internet not working, right? Try again, internet not working. Let's connect your internet with this option. Now there is no notification. Try again. Yeah, that's working great, right? So that's the way that how you can just use the push notification only on the front end, and In the upcoming video, I will just show you that how we can just get these push notification from the backend also. I will see that we will just show you the notification based behalf on any API or maybe on the TCP, and after that we will just start you can say that a tutorial series on a small chat application. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.